are used as a messenger to carry out message to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our fine wedding press will show us awesome tricks, amazing songs, guest participation, and important environmental message. As this show is all about conservation, education, and entertainment. Now, are you ready to be amazed with our fine wedding friends? Hey, are you ready to be amazed with our fine wedding friends?
Yes!
Alright, that's the energy. Now to start with, let me call my partner on the stage, Miss Debbie, to welcome our blue and gold ako named Amigo. Hi, Miss Debbie. Where's Amigo? Alright, here you go. Now, Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. And also, Amigo is a responsible bird. He wants to see his environment clean. Now, we have here our sample trashes and check this out. What will you do when he picked up the Coca-Cola can and walked all the way? Open the bin and drop it inside the bird. Next one, Amigo, then he picked up the plastic cup, walked all the way again, open the bin again, and drop it inside. Last one, buddy. You did. Come on. He picked up the beer can, open the bin, and drop it inside. Wow. Now see, if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So we cannot stop waste production entirely, but every one of us can make a significant contribution. So think before you win. It helps save energy and natural resources. Because we here in Cebu strongly believe that cleanliness is next to
Godliness.
godliness. Now everyone, Amigo, together with this fine wedding friend, has something to tell us. What do you want to say, Amigo? You ready? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macos. Now, here's our twin blue and gold macos named Kyle and Carl, and right there's more such my family station here. Alright, now we have a total of 7 blue and gold macos named Corey, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Kyle, Carl, and JR, and one great big maco named Ringo. So macos are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So when they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. Now their diet, they love to eat a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables, and they also have a powerful beak that it can craft a hard-shelled nut. Now in the wild, they can live 70 to 80 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 90 years. Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. A round of applause for flying macos.
Clap your hands for me.
Now, our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and very handsome bird. Now, I need your help to call our next bird. Can you say Jumbo?
Jumbo!
Hey, louder please, say Jumbo!
Jumbo!
Correct, Jumbo? Alright, hi! Now, here's our another great big baka named Jumbo. Now, Jumbo, why don't you wave hi and then say hi, everyone? Hi! 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 Now, can you wave back and say hi, Jumbo? Hello, everyone. Thanks for coming. Alright. Now, macos have a very long tail and feathers. It can reach up to 3 feet in length from head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, Jumbo? Nice one. Another one, buddy? Alright, good bird. Wow. Now, we can see most of their colors outside their bodies and less color under its wings. Now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings? Wings. Wow. Okay, let's do it again. Say wing! Wings, Jumbo! Alright, now let's talk about their feet. So macos' feet are zygodactylous. That means they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. So they use their feet to hold up things and climb. Now Miss Darby has a ground nut and she will place it inside the plastic basket, and that's the reward for Jumbo. Now let's see how will Jumbo get his reward. Check this out. He carefully lifts out the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. And as what I observed earlier, that Jumbo is a very special, intelligent bird. You want to know why? Well, it's because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Alright, now we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo, but first let's have the spelling test. Now I have your 5 animal pictures. The snake, tiger, horse, zebra, and the camel. Now I want you to choose one animal picture.
Tiger!
Sorry? One animal picture.
Tiger!
Camel. Okay, let's have the camel with Mr. Romney. Well, Mr. J is preparing the Jumbo Terry. Let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie. Hey, Miss Debbie, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. Now, Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo originally came from?
South America.
South America, but he's here in the Philippines, so meaning he loves Philippines, right?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, now we're all set. Look at the picture carefully, Jumbo. It's a camel. And what is the spelling of a camel? You ready? What is the first letter, buddy? Okay, first letter. He repeats about letter C. How about the second letter, Jumbo? Second letter is the letter A. Wow. Now, we're down to the third letter, buddy. Third letter is the letter M. Good bird. How about the fourth letter? He picks up the letter M, then he picks up the letter E. Now the last letter, Jumbo. Camel, buddy, last letter. Last letter, he picks up the letter L. So camel spells C-A-M-E-L. Is it correct? Well, it seems so easy for Jumbo. Now let's make it more difficult. After the spelling test, we will be having the mathematical test. Now let's have an addition. Now I want you to choose two numbers from 1 to 10. First number, please. 5. Okay, how about the 10? 9. Okay, 5 plus 9. Okay, Jumbo, what is 5 plus 9? Okay, it's a secret right now. Now, Miss Debbie, what is Jumbo's favorite food? What makes him smart?
Variety of fruits, seeds, and vegetables.
Okay, Jumbo loves a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Now, kids, don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies because it will make you smart just like our dear Jumbo. And Miss Debbie, where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Safari.
Jumbo studied at University of Cebu, Safari. Now, we're all set, buddy. What is 5 plus 9? 5 plus 9, Jumbo? You ready? Okay,
One,
first number, he
four.
picked up the number 1. Now, how about the second number, buddy? Second number is? He picked up the number 4. So 5 plus 9 equals? 14. A round of applause for Green Morning, Jumbo. Bye-bye, Jumbo. Now, at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I need a volunteer. Volunteer? Okay, si Kuya. Kuya.
Ay, nananay bata.
Follow the instruction ni Ate Giselle. Stretch your arms.
Namura niya. Ay, madlok
Please
ka.
don't use your movement, alright? Okay. Now just relax.
Mura na.
Now everyone, please don't move. Hi. Don't move, alright? Now everyone, I want you to make our cute and colorful center named Bunny. Come on, Bunny. Good bird. Ay, hey, Bunny. Kuya, isa kamay, Kuya. Okay. Hey. 1. Alright, don't move. Now suckers have golden plumage and their head down to its body and their green wings. So a young sucker appear more olive green in color and they're very playful and set to become like. So they spend most of the time with their nest playing. And they're also called the sand parakeets in South America. Now there's, I don't know, please don't move. Sorry. Hey, buddy, go back home now, buddy. Sorry. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so close.
Yan, ano yan?
Okay, now I need an adult volunteer. I need an adult volunteer. Not a girl. Adult, please. I need an adult volunteer. Adult. Okay. Now, sir, please stand at the bridge. Please raise your hands, then wear the hair. Please don't move and don't do extra movement and don't touch our bird, okay? Now I want you to meet our another group of sentinel, our couple bird, Dean, Dog, and their friend Jay. Now settlers are monogamous type of bird. That means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. And when their partner dies, that's the time they'll find another mating partner. Alright, thank you so much. Now I need an adult volunteer with a peso bill. I need someone with money.
Patay, hindi na nauli.
Okay. Noah, please proceed on stage.
Ay,
Good
katong-
afternoon, welcome to the
Ayan,
show.
dito.
What's your name? Mayumi. Miss Mayumi, do you have your money with you? Do you have your money? Alright, now Miss Mayumi has 500 pesos. Now ma'am, I want you to fold your money into half 3 times. Fold your money into half 3 times. 1, 2, and then 3. Now stretch your arms and hold the money like this. Just relax, alright? Now I have a few reminders. Please don't do extra movement and don't touch our bird, okay? Okay, now everyone, I want you to meet the twin brother of Sunny or another cute and fluffy sentinel named Sunny. Come on, Sunny. Alright, now Sunny loves some money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest and they love picking up their food. Now, Sunny will pick up his money. You ready, buddy? What will you do? I have 500 pesos here. Ready? Now he flies to Miss Mayumi and pick her money up like after stepping. Bye-bye, Sunny, and buy 500. Easy money. Miss Mayumi, thank you so much. You cannot take your seat. You cannot take your seat. Thank you so much. Now, by the way, can you say hi? Wait a minute. Can you say bye 500? Bye-bye. Don't worry, your money is in good hands. It's safe, okay? No, I'm just kidding. We will return your money. I'm just kidding. We will return your money. Please go up your seat again. Okay? Now stretch your arms up in your palm. So when Sunny returns your money, grab your money and not Sunny, okay? Not the bird. Okay. Now Sunny, please return her money, buddy. I know you love things more than money, Sunny. Come on, what will you do? You ready? Alright, so he flies to Miss Mayumi and put her money back. Fly back to Miss Debbie. Okay, a round of applause for sentinel named Sunny. Miss Mayumi, thank you so much. You're gonna take your seat. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil. Because we have here our mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy, our yellow-crowned Amazon parrot, together with their mentor, Miss Janice.
Amazon parrot.
Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness, right, Miss Janice?
Yes, that's right. And mimic is a copy sound what we hear every day.
Yes, now let's try them, alright? Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hello. Hello. Again, say hi. Louder. Hello, guys. Hello. Now, what else can they mimic, Miss Janice?
Well, they can mimic a different sounds of the animal, just like a rooster, cat, and a dog.
A rooster can and a dog. Wow.
Yes, and they can also mimic a telephone ring.
Now, let's try the rooster first, alright? Come on, buddy. Say
Kangaroo.
again.
Kangaroo.
How about the cat?
Again, cat.
Cat. Hey, ready?
Buddy.
Bark again, ready? Bark. Again, bark.
Oo, ni Bark.
Wow, you hear that? How about telephone ringing, buddy? Telephone ringing.
He loves dogs.
Ring.
How about this one? Alright, now Miss Janice, I've heard that Lani and Rudy has a hidden talent.
He loves to sing.
They love to sing.
Yes, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
Wow, just like any other singers do.
Yes, that's
Let's
right.
do the warm-up, alright? Go
Alright.
ready?
La 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 la.
Okay.
La 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 la.
Oh, come on, please do it. Well, I guess they're ready for the first song, Miss Janice.
Okay, let's do the first song.
Whoa, whoa, yeah.
I love you more than I can.
Say again. Whoa, whoa, yeah.
I love you more than I can.
Say.
Let's do the
How about the second song, Miss Janice?
Okay, right. The second song before me ask first, who's celebrating the birthdays today? Or within the
Is it a birthday? Hi, happy birthday. Now listen carefully because Lana and Rudy is going to sing a happy birthday song.
What is it?
birdies in showcase a variety of extraordinary hunting skills and flight style. Now, our first bird of prey is a diurnal bird of prey. Diurnal meaning they do their hunting on daytime. And with that, we need a lure handled by Mr. J. Now, the lure serves as the real food or the real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at catching his food. Are you ready, Mr. J? Alright. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. And there you go, he attacks his lure. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle is under the radar, so I see it as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. As you have observed, Hunter is very protective of his food because he let his wings cover his prey so nobody can steal it. Now, Miss Jackie has the real food or the real prey because the hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you have observed, Miss Gabby is using a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. Now, their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And in the wild, they can live 15 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 30 years. Now, what then? It's okay to let go sometimes. You ready? Oh, careful, Miss Debbie. Hey, let go of it. Alright, now round of applause for our Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Boy, Hunter. Now from the diurnal bird of prey, let's move on to the nocturnal bird of prey. Nocturnal meaning they do their hunting on nighttime. Now everyone relax and be silent because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine Eagle Owl named Tattoo. Hey, buddy. Want to fly down to the stage?
Umugawas.
Now everyone, I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. Please sit down. Okay? Again, Philippine Eagle Owls, they are an nocturnal bird of prey. So that means on daytime, they have poor vision. So they really need a very quiet environment to focus. So let's just wait Tattoo to fly down to the stage, okay? Again, I need your cooperation. Please remain seated and no one will stand up because he will fly closer to you. Buddy, mind going down to the stage? Hey.
Tulog.
Hi, Tattoo. You ready, buddy? At the count of 3. Are you shy? Don't be shy. They're all harmless, so they're all your friends. Come on, they're all waiting. Okay, let's try for one last time. If he doesn't go down to the stage, so let's wait a Tattoo if he's ready. You ready, buddy? Alright. So we don't force our birds to perform, but ato ang balikan si Tattoo later. So let's move on to our next bird. Now our next bird is a diurnal bird of prey, and he is also called as the quick snatcher bird of prey. And with that, we need the help of Miss Janice. Now Miss Janice is a wooden pattern, the real food or the real prey, because our bird is going to showcase how quick he is snatching his food in flight. Now everyone put your hands together to our snatching prey flight. Our brownie kite named Shadow.
Shadow.
He flies and snatches his food. That's so cute, buddy. Now brownie kite is also called the red-backed sea eagle in Australia. They have a white plumage that's set down to its breast, and the rest of its color is striking chestnut brown. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, and Indonesia. Now here in the Philippines, they're locally known as Banong in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. And their diet, they love to eat carrion, small mammals, reptiles, and birds. And they have a wingspan of 105 to 120 centimeters. Now in the wild, they can live 15 years. And in captivity, they can live up to 30 years. And they're one of the most playful type of birds because when the wind is going so good, they love to soar and fly. Hey, stop playing around, buddy. Alright, and our Adam plus our brownie kite named Shadow. Okay, now let's check Tattoo if he's ready to fly back to the stage. because Tattoo really needs a very quiet environment to focus. Okay, hey Tattoo, wanna fly down to the stage, buddy? Don't be shy, come on.
Bibig ka mo na og.
Alright, one more time, buddy.
Yan na yan.
We're not coming down. Hey.
Look, nila na nila.
Alright, good bird. Now here you go. Wow. Now he flies down the stage. Now let's talk about owl. So Philippine eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head and bulging eyes, and their eyes are very good in total darkness. So they can see 10 times better than the human's eye. And their hearing is acute. They can hear a mouse squeak half a mile away. And as you have observed, they fly almost silently. So ako mabantay nga nilupan na siya. It's because they have this special feather structure that reduces turbulence. So their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Now, buddy, wanna go back home now? You ready? 1, 2, and a round of applause for Philippine eagle owl named Tattoo. Now, from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. No one will stand up and don't reach out our bird. Again, it's because our bird is going to fly closer to you. She will showcase her flight style. Again, please, everyone, remain seated. No one will stand up and don't reach out our bird. Now we have our bird trainer up there, Mr. Ian. Are you ready, sir? Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the grand finale? I can hear you. Are you ready for the grand finale? Yes, that's the energy. Now, everyone, for the grand finale, keep your hands up high to our white-bellied ski eagle named Marina. And what is Mr. Ian? So white-bellied sea eagle is also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage in its head down to its underparts, and its back and wings is dark gray in color. And as with other raptor, the female is larger than the male. And they're monogamous type of birds, that means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, and Tasmania. And they are the second largest raptor in the world, found in Australia next to the wedge-tailed sea eagle. Okay, please po sa bata, ma'am. Kantin sana. Okay. Hey, baby. Again, this bird is going to fly closer to you. Now fly down to the stage, my friend. Wow, now a round of applause for white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. Now to seal this moment, we have here our flying lories all the way from Australia. Come on, lories. We have 3 types of lories, the dusky lories, chocolate lories, and the red-blue lories. And to make it more memorable, we have here the symbol of love and peace.
So. Wow!
Prosperity and harmony are our beautiful teachers. Now, before we totally end our show, let me introduce you the people behind the success of the show. My partner on the stage, our team leader, Miss Debbie, together with our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. Miss Rachel, in charge of Loris. To our bird trainers up there, Mr. Irving, Mr. Ian, to our sound man, Mr. Ricky. Our bird trainers at the back, Miss Janice, Mr. J, and Mr. Rotek. And last but not the least, the man behind the success of the show, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aitan, all the way from Singapore. Together with our Muluk and Kakatuni